Here we have a vehicle shot of Balderton of a crossing in Cheshire. Oh, what are we down for?
Birmingham International to Holyhead, I think, or Cardiff to Holyhead.
Oh no, wrong one. Let me go back to the main. Let me go back here. Oh my gosh. Oh god, it's so hard when I'm holding a camera and set J. No, I need to do a capital.
Do you want me to do it?
No, I got it. Oh my god, you stupid. No, oh my gosh. Oh, I put a full stop on the end. Maybe don't put a full stop on the end. You know what? You do it. What are we in for?
Cardiff Central to Holyhead, I think. Oh no, we're not. No, that's ages ago, that one, isn't it?
That's the places.
Yeah, no, that's right, yeah. Cardiff Central to Holyhead, here we go.
Yeah, here it is. Didn't catch that because those cars got in front and...
197.
Oh, no mind. Up they go. It's a bit of a...
197
Oh, 197 1122. Oh no, 197 112, and up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in next video.